So we're at one of the last few greenhouses here. We're going to do a quick video on some of these Bromeliad species. So you can see all through here, all the different colors here. Bromeliads, normally in Vancouver you see just the regular types with the long spikes of flowers on them, but there's actually a lot of Bromeliad species. As you can see here, lots, with different colors. So the more sun you give these, the more colors will come out. Also too, if you see inside here, they do like to have water inside their center. I mean, naturally, frogs will hide in there and eat the different tadpoles and different insects that fall inside there as well. But yeah, there's lots of different colors. You can see like there's a lot of the pinks here, the darker reds. These are actually quite expensive in Vancouver to buy, especially ones like this here, the multicolors, really nice patterns to them. There's only a few growers that I know that do sell them, but again, for a small plant this size, they can get quite expensive just because of the coloration. These are nice ones there as well. A lot of pinks in the back there. But yeah, Bromeliads, I think they're just starting to get more popular nowadays, especially these species, because a lot of people don't know there's such a large world of Bromeliads out there. We are looking at hopefully selling some of these soon. And then again, something like this, they're naturally white, but with more sun, you get those nice pink streaks in them. But Bromeliads love water because naturally they will grow off of like trees or other plants in the forest, or they collect a lot of the water. And then yeah, we're just going across the bridge. You got a lot of the monsteras up in the back there. Big, huge leaves on those ones. They do a really good job here in the greenhouses to make everything look more natural. And again, a lot of the bright reds. Actually, I think it was in the south part of Thailand when I seen some of these red ones, and they're climbing up. They had like a stem, probably a good 6 inches in between each plant, climbing all the way up the side of a palm tree. So it's quite neat to kind of see them like that. Some of these here, these are some of the bird's nest ferns, I believe. So these ones, like the ones we sell, are like a lot smaller than this, but these ones, they can get like up to 3 foot each leaf. And you can see these ones here, again, more in the shade here. They don't have as much of the colors as the other side, especially the variegated ones. So you can change the color on a lot of these varieties of Bromeliads by giving them a little bit more sun, which is also can be like the stress color too when they dry out. And then again on this side we got more the different colors there. I like the ones with the blotches on them, like this variety here. Almost kind of looks like someone just threw some paint on there. And then you got another one here, same thing. Nice streak colors to them. But yeah, I just thought I'd give you a quick update here on some of the Bromeliads that we found. And we're just kind of working our way back to the last greenhouse here. Any questions? Yeah, let us know. Feel free to reach out. But again, hope you liked the video, and off we go here.